Hello everyone. Today I want to unbox this Samsung SSD 970 EVO Plus, the NVMe type M.2. This is not SATA port. This is the PCIe. Most computers these days come equipped with like this SSDs. This is a Samsung, not newest one, but this is the I think previous 970 EVO Plus. VNAND. This series has a built-in RAM. There's the speed. You can see made in Korea. Okay, let's unseal this. It's 1 terabyte. Pretty small. This is the actual SSD. Wow. Be very careful when handling like this stuff, because it's very small, a lot of small component that can easily damaged if not handled properly. As you can see, size of this compared to my hand. I put it here. Also, there is a manual here. That explains this. There's something between side. Musician software. I think the Samsung provides the software for transferring the data from old SSD to this new one, or cloning, that you can download it, I think, from the website. Maybe something provided in this. Let's open this. Here is some guide how to transfer or install this on the computer. This is a warranty guarantee. There's here data migration, and the Samsung Magician software can be downloaded from our website. Yeah. And this is I don't know what is Magician software. This just maybe. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this is my unboxing and this little Samsung SSD. Thank you for watching.